Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you cell alignment and angle text. As working with Excel, you might want to align the text and the numbers, and you have all the tools to do that. You have a bar in Excel, Reading Alignment, in which you can align the text and the numbers. For example, if you want to align the first column, the first row or the first column, you can just select it. And you can, as you can see, the text is already on the center. If you want, you can put it in the right side. As you can see, the text is on the right side, is aligned left. If you want to align the numbers, for example, you can click as well the center to center your content, and the numbers are already aligned in the center. Actually, I wouldn't recommend to put the numbers in the center, because as receiving the files from different databases, the format of the cells might be number, and if it's already a number, you cannot change the alignment of the numbers. In this case, it's general, so we can change the format is general, so we can change the alignment of the numbers. I'll put them in the right side as well. You can use as well the decimal to increase it. We can increase it and decrease it, and we can put it in the center again. Some of you may think that it's already on the right, but if we just highlight the columns and just drag one of them, we can see that the numbers are in the center. Okay, so I'll just drag them and decrease decimal. Okay, by clicking. As well, you can see that, for example, expenses changed is in a big width than the other columns. You can change it by just dragging the width and then double clicking between 8 and 9 to make it the same, to make it best width. You can see, for example, that in this table here, I've used all the buttons of the alignment here. You can see top left is two buttons combined, top middle is the button here, the top line and the center your content. If I click here, for example, I can put them in the middle, but it reads top, so I'm going to leave them on top. Or for example, the center middle, there are two buttons here, the bottom middle, you can see the buttons combined here. And you can do that even for the numbers here. I'm going to leave the expenses changes as it was, in this way. And you might think it will be better if we put them, for example, in the middle. And we can click the button here, middle align, to put them in the middle. Or we can put them even in the top, if we want. It's up to you. As I explained, I wouldn't recommend putting the numbers in the center, but this depends on the format of the Excel that you are using. Working with numbers, for example, in this document you can see sales, expenses, profits. You might want to put even the dollar sign or the euro sign. We can just select the numbers that we want to put that sign, and by just clicking this here, you can see that the dollar sign is on the left side. I will just use another button, another option, and you can see the number here, you can see the button here, number format. And I'm going just to use the currency. You might think it's the same thing, but it's not the same thing, because as you can see, the dollar sign here is in the left side. Meanwhile, clicking this button here, I'm going to put the dollar sign right behind the number. And you can see that the number is aligned on the center. I'll put it in the right side, because as I recommended, it will be better if we use it on the right side.